Alrighty guys, so here we are, episode 7, back in the workshop, and what we're going to do now, I've got this new camera angle. Hopefully it might sort of let you see what's going on a bit better. I've still got the camera here just for a better display up close, but anyway, you can see I've got 5 lures ready to go. 3D printed lure holders. Makes life easy when you're doing your epoxying. Just start with a small rubber band here. Got these little homemade hooks on there like that. Just like that. See, it makes it nice and easy hang on to. Back in the clip, and we'll do the same for all of them. I'm not sure exactly which one of these is the one we put together in the previous video, but they are definitely all exactly the same. So I'll just go ahead and get all these 5 ready for you. Right, so not sure, can you see that? I think you can see that. So I think what I'll do here, it's 2 parts to 1 part. We'll go 4 mils and 2 mils, I think. Or 4 parts and 2 parts. So just tear that off again. So we want 4 mils here. 405. Now we'll go to 6. We'll go to 610, 615, something like that. And then we'll mix for 2 minutes. Oh, tiny bit too much, but that's fine. Now I did have my little stirrer stick here as well at one point. Here it is. So once we've got this layer on, it'll actually be nicely waterproof. The other added bonus of the thickness of the epoxy is you'll also lose a lot of those layer lines from your print. So it's been 24 hours and I just want to quickly show you guys the next step that I do. We got a tub of water here. We have 400 wet and dry and 1200 wet and dry. So I'll quickly get these lures off their holders, get them in the water. Okay, so obviously we'll start with the 400, and really all we're doing, like a lot of them don't even need the 400. There's just probably along that high ridge there from the print, but they actually feel quite smooth already. So just a little bit along that highest point on the print line. Same again there. Actually, this one feels really good. So give him a dip, and then get onto the 1200. And then the 1200 you can You can give it a bit around the face. Give it a bit around the eyes and the bib. So this will also just give you a nice surface to then do our painting. I do actually prefer to mask the bibs off. I think I just prefer it. I think I like it a bit better. But either way, it doesn't really matter. And we're going to keep this pretty simple. I'm going to go, I've got some gold. So we're going to go gold as a base. Then we're going to put some blue scales. Just going to use this here. Use some of that. And we'll do a scale pattern with the blue over the top. And then we'll add a little bit of black to that blue and do the back. I think I prefer simple color patterns, probably because I'm not real good at airbrushing. But anyway, let's get going. Now we'll swing these around and get the other side done. Alrighty, that looks about right. So we'll get this next side done. This gold paint tends to clog my airbrush up a bit, which is annoying, but so far so good. Oh, and we're out of paint. Right, just as I was finishing. All right, I think that might be the gold done. Okay, so we're ready to go with our blue. You can see I've pegged that mesh on there. Get these angles right. That looks about it to me. Rightio. Alright, that's one side done. Plenty of paint left. Turn these around. Right. Alrighty, blue's done. not too bad. Okay, so now all I'm going to do is a little bit of black, probably top that blue up a little, and then I'm going to put some black in there, and we're just going to do across the backbone, and that's it. Keeping it real simple. Okay, it's coming through now actually. That looks pretty good. Out there, and actually I'm going to spray down on the nose a bit there too. I think we're done. That looks pretty good. Yeah, I know I've said it already, but I try to keep it simple, mostly because my painting skills are not great just yet. Yeah, so we'll have a look. Probably in a couple of hours I'll come back and we'll take that masking tape off and we'll have a closer look. We can put some eyes on it, we can put a little signature on it, and then all we've got left is one more coat of epoxy. And it's time to go catch some fish. Okay, so I'm ready to go here on the final coat. I'm not going to repeat everything because it really is the same as that initial coat that we did. The only thing that I do a little bit different is I'm just a little bit more liberal with the thickness of the coat. And also I try and stay away from the eyelets a bit more than I did with the first coat. Lure is done. We'll do one more episode. We'll get some hooks on him. I'll try and get some footage in the pool and then we'll go fishing.